Hi everyone, I just want to give you some updates about what's going on in the studio right now. What we have going on first is our new sculpt boxes and this cute little flower pixie's here to tell you all about it. She's got her own little video to explain that to you, so I'll save that for you to watch later and leave a link for you down below in the description. So we've got that going, and then the next thing we have going is our advanced ball jointed doll. She is almost done. We've got everything, all the molds are done, came out well. We had exciting learning experiences that I'll be sure to tell you all about so you can find out what to do and what not to do in certain situations. But we have made it through it successfully, and I want to give you just a kind of a sneak peek at this one face. I need to change the mold just slightly so the eyes come out better, but you can tell already just how cute that face has come out. I love it. I think it's going to be so darling. Anyway, I'm excited to get one of these dolls put all together for you so you can see just what they look like. The body themselves. It's turned out so nice. I'm really thrilled with how the molds are doing and just what a great reproduction it is. So anyway, that's coming up. You'll be able to see the finished pieces. And then I also just have a couple sculpting projects in the works. I've got my little fawn doll. This was the original that I was working on to kind of figure out the pattern when we did the fawns from the fawn contest. And so I need to complete her. And then I've also got this little doll that I'm going to name Alice. And I think I'm going to give her a little bit of an Alice in Wonderland sort of flair. So we'll see how that goes too. So that's what I'm working on. And then also today I have for you pictures of the entrance to the fawn contest as well as the announcement of the winners. So stick around for that. First of all, we'll go through all the photos of each contestant. So the challenge for this contest was to create a fawn, which in this case, mine's kind of a mix between a deer and a young girl. You can also do like a satyr that's actually more technically like a goat and a humanoid type creature. So you can do either way. So we had contestants do either kind and they both turned out adorable. Anyway, this is how mine turned out. Her cute little sweet face. This was such a joy to work on. So if you missed the contest, please know we still have these kits available so you can make your own. They are so fun, and the kit comes with a DVD or online instructions that will show you just how we did every step of this, including these darling little fingers. Just look how tiny they turned out. They just turned out so cute. I still need to finish my base. It's just in its very rough epoxy sculpt state. But I love how her legs turned out and her fur and little tail, and she was just so fun to do. So again, if you haven't done one yourself yet, I encourage you because they're so fun. Look at these little ears. All right, on to the contestants. Let's see what everybody else made too.